Hey, it's Josh from Green Diamond Equipment in Halifax. Today, I just want to go over what happens if you break a shear pin in your 100 or 200 series snowblower. So one of the first things you're going to do when you're getting ready to replace a shear pin, you'll want to clear out any obstructions that are in there, snow, whatever debris has been run over, etc. Never use your hands, fingers, anything like that. You want to use a stick or a shovel or some sort of tool to help you do that. You may notice that your snowblower is not blowing snow as efficiently. If you get off, the mower's turned off, and you spin your auger and it moves freely like this, one of your shear pins is broken. As far as the location of your shear pins, you've got one in this auger here, which we've already removed one to show you for this demonstration. You've got one here in this auger as well, and you've got two back here on the shaft in your impeller. Now, to get these shear pins, contact your local Green Diamond Equipment. They'll recommend the proper shear pin for you depending on your model. Make sure you contact the parts department. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this shear pin now. So you find your hole here. The auger moves freely at the moment. Stick your shear bolt into the hole. Got your lock nut here. All right, so I've put the shear pin in now, and you tighten it up just so it's snug. You don't want to over torque these. We appreciate you guys tuning in, watching our demonstration today. I hope it's been helpful, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact your local Green Diamond.